For Jefferson Parish window replacement, choosing the right window contractor matters for long-term performance, curb appeal, and comfort. A licensed window company, Jefferson Parish LA, can handle window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA projects for homes and businesses with replacement windows, vinyl windows, energy-efficient windows, and custom window fit options designed for local weather in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. Energy-efficient window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA is one of the smartest upgrades for homeowners looking to reduce drafts and improve indoor comfort. Double pane windows. Double pane window replacement. Jefferson Parish and energy-efficient windows help manage heat, humidity, and air leakage, while window sealing and drafty window repair can further improve performance in older homes across Jefferson Parish residential window replacement projects. Window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA. Window replacement near Kenner, Louisiana. Window replacement near Marrero, Louisiana. Window replacement near Harvey, LA. And window replacement near Gretna, LA are all popular services for property owners seeking dependable window installation. Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. Local window installers. Jefferson Parish LA provide window replacement services that fit the style and needs of nearby neighborhoods, from classic homes to updated commercial spaces. Commercial properties benefit from Jefferson Parish commercial window replacement when they need durability, appearance, and efficiency in high-traffic environments. A trusted window replacement Jefferson Parish provider can install impact-resistant windows, storm windows, and new construction windows that support storefronts, offices, multi-unit buildings, and other commercial buildings throughout Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. Vinyl window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA remains a top choice for affordability, low maintenance, and energy savings. Vinyl windows are available in many styles, including sliding windows, casement windows, picture windows, bay windows, and custom windows. Jefferson Parish, Louisiana, making it easy to match the architecture of older and newer homes while still improving insulation and overall value. Window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA is often the fastest solution when the frame is still in good condition but the pane is cracked, foggy, or damaged. In many cases, window frame repair, window sealing, and drafty window repair can extend the life of existing units, but replacement windows in Jefferson Parish may be the better option when efficiency, safety, or appearance is the priority. Impact window installation. Jefferson Parish is a strong option for storm protection and long-term resilience in Louisiana weather. Impact-resistant windows, storm windows, and reinforced window upgrade solutions help reduce damage risk, protect interiors, and support peace of mind for homeowners and business owners searching for the best window replacement company. Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. Residential window replacement in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana can dramatically improve home comfort, noise reduction, and resale value. Whether the project involves window installation, window replacement services, replacement windows in Jefferson Parish, or a full window upgrade, a window installation company with local experience can recommend the right products for each room and each budget. Custom window fit is essential for older properties, unique openings, and homes with non-standard dimensions. Jefferson Parish LA window contractor services should include precise measurements, expert installation, and product options like sliding windows, casement windows, picture windows, bay windows, and new construction windows to ensure a secure fit and a polished final look. Affordable window replacement. Jefferson Parish does not have to mean sacrificing quality. Homeowners and property managers can work with a window contractor or window specialists to compare vinyl windows, energy-efficient windows, impact-resistant windows, and custom windows. Jefferson Parish, Louisiana, while finding a solution that fits their goals for style, durability, and long-term savings. Emergency window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA is important after breakage, storm damage, or unexpected security issues. Fast response window replacement near Metairie, Louisiana. Window replacement near Kenner, Louisiana, and surrounding Jefferson Parish locations can restore protection quickly, whether the need is window glass replacement, frame repair, or a full residential window replacement or commercial window replacement project. Window installation. Jefferson Parish, Louisiana should always be handled by experienced window specialists who understand local conditions and building needs. From window sealing and drafty window repair to vinyl window replacement. Jefferson Parish LA, Double Pane Window Replacement Jefferson Parish, and Impact Window Installation Jefferson Parish. The right team delivers reliable results for homes and businesses throughout Jefferson Parish, Louisiana.